I hope hyperbole is clear. We move to the next. The next is irony. Irony is an expression where you're trying to say something else, but there's a meaning is something else. Now there are different types of ironies also, but irony in Hindi, if I say it is vidambana, near the church, far from God. Like we say diya tale andhera. So there are ironies that happen. For example, second statement. If you read the example, a marriage counselor files for a divorce. So like this irony. I've given other examples. See perfection they've tried to make, but it is not perfect. Nothing is written in stone. Thank you for driving carefully. There's an accident that has taken place, so irony are there. There are ironies that happen. Alliteration, very common. The occurrence of the same letter or the sound or the beginning of adjacent or closely connected words. Basically, all the tongue twisters which are there, they are the use of alliteration. Also, you need to be careful whenever two words are being separated by and. For example, if I say lone and level, bare and back, like that, they are alliteration. I have given some very good examples here. Next is onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia is the use of sound words. I have shared a lot of sound words here. You can see boom, wow, OMG. Others like for we use for bees, we say meow for a cat. Symbolically, we are referring to a thing, but the use of sound is there. Next is anaphora. Anaphora, this year 9th and 10th syllabus has a lot of anaphora. Even I have discussed in one of the poetries, that is wind. I have taken that example only. If you see the same word being repeated again and again in the beginning of the sentence, that is anaphora. Next is oxymoron. Oxymoron is a special kind of figure of speech where you're using two contradictory words together. For example, if I say icy hot gel, hot and cool, act naturally. So this figure of speech is oxymoron. Now please note there are many figure of speeches there, but up till 12th you require only these many. Keep these notes in handy. Please write them down in your notebooks. Many of you have given your notebooks. They are pretty much fine. Others, those who have not completed, please complete as soon as possible. Thank you. Stay fit, stay fine.